Hello and welcome to Christ-Centered Gamers unboxing or enveloping the smart door lock, and I love how it has like a gift theme box. Look at that. Because when I think of gifts, I think of smart door locks. So, oh, it's a smart cabinet lock. Interesting. Well, it looks like it can go either way. Well, let's see what we got here. Ooh. They sent us a gold one. You know, it's like a chromey gold. Huh. Is that a fingerprint reader? I'm guessing so. It's got protection film on there. The other side, it's like a lock and an unlock. All right. Okay. And Phillips screwdriver. That's interesting. It's got a couple of fobs, I guess. Huh. USB-C charger. A couple of keys. You always have to have a backup because what if the battery dies, and how long would that last? So you got a couple of like these gaskets and some screws. And oh, okay, so you got like a door jamb and that thing, whatever. I don't know, the thing that holds it in place. So, all right. Okay, so that's pretty much the contents. And so I guess the first step is I gotta charge it. Then I have to talk to my husband about where it's actually gonna get installed for testing purposes, and then we gotta see how long that battery lasts. Follow these lovely instructions. But I don't know why they say cabinet, and it looks like it's big enough for a regular door. So anyways, and there is a esmartlock@outlook.com if you have any questions. So alright, well, so here we are. Everything's unboxed. Well, now it's a matter of charging, installing, and testing. So stay tuned for our review. Thank you for watching. God bless.